Hi guys, it's me, Haley Marie, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm in St. Augustine for Nick's 23rd birthday. We're getting really old. Anyway, I'm currently at our Airbnb and it is the cutest shabby chic vintage little house and I am obsessed with it. It's like my dream home. So I'm going to show you guys a tour of this place. It's probably my favorite Airbnb we've stayed at just because it's like my literal aesthetic, like exactly how I'd want the decor in my home. I'm standing on the porch right now. I'm going to show you guys a tour of the house, and if we have time I'm going to take you guys around St. Augustine. We'll see if this just ends up being an Airbnb tour or if this turns into a vlog of the day. So yeah, come look at the Airbnb with me. So guys, this is the outside of the Airbnb. It is called the Gingerbread House. Isn't that precious? So yeah, I love all the detail of it. And we're gonna go up the porch. So when you get up the porch, isn't that just the cutest little like wreath and door? And I'll show you guys the door in more detail in a second. There's like a little seating area with a little porch swing, which is so precious. And so now we're gonna go inside. So the door, I'm gonna start off with the door actually. There's this little compartment for letters. How cute is that? Oh, I'm obsessed. And the wreath is just precious and just everything. You can like see my shadow. Awkward. Okay, so when you enter, so this is how you lock the door. It's very cute. It has the doorknob in crystal, which I love. I love this door so much. It's so pretty. Anyway, so when you enter, there is this little teeny weeny tiny focus. There we go. There's this little teeny weeny tiny staircase up to the upstairs, and you can probably hear the shower. Nick's in the shower, so when he gets out, I'm going to show you guys the upstairs. But for now, I'm going to show you guys downstairs. So there's a living room to your left, which I'll get to, and then to the right, my favorites, the dining room. Oh my god, guys, this is like my exact dream dining room whenever I have a house. Like I literally want a room just like this, and I'm just obsessed. My favorite part has to be the china cabinet. I love it so much, and there's all these little, look at the teacups. I'm obsessed with the teacups. Aren't they so pretty? So yeah, I love this. Obsessed. And then when you turn across from the table, there's this beautiful door. Love this door so much. And this closed up fireplace, which is still so pretty. Oh my gosh, I just love it. And then there's like an overlook from the kitchen, which is just, you know, it's a kitchen. I like it. It's nothing too fancy, but it's pretty nonetheless. Ignore the bottles. And then you're gonna turn this way, and there's this absolutely precious breakfast nook. Look how cute this is. I am in love. I have to have this. This is actually another part of my dream home that I've always wanted, is a breakfast nook like this with the bay windows. And I just love like the little exit to the backyard. So yeah, I love these windows. I love like just everything about this. I probably would put like a different chandelier in my own home, but you know, yeah, this isn't my house. So yeah, and then you turn and you go this way, and there's like the little coffee thing that they put for you, which is really sweet of them, so you can have your coffee in the morning. And then this absolutely gorgeous door. Obsessed with this door. So pretty, and these windows are so neat. I love this window. So pretty. Oh, look at the detail of the glass. So pretty. Okay, so over here is like the laundry slash a bathroom. So yeah, it's just a bathroom. I love the walls though, so pretty. Anyway, everything is so pretty. I'm gonna say that like 20 times. And then walking into the living room, I love this little bench and this pillow. Look how cute, guys. Oh, look at that vintage pillow. My goal today while vintage shopping is to find a little tiny vintage pillow similar to that or the one that I'm gonna show you upstairs. And then there's this painting. This is like Nick's favorite painting. I think he said like in the place. I'll show you guys my favorite painting, but that's like one of Nick's favorites. But yeah, I love this little bench though, so cute. And then here's the living room, which is a living room, not my exact style per se. I love like the walls and everything though, like everything looks so pretty. If this would go in focus, it'd be so much better. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it's just a living room. It's cute. Yeah, it's just not my color aesthetic that I would choose. Anyway, so yeah, and now we're going to go upstairs. So guys, we're going up the stairs. When you get to the top, there's a bathroom. I think it's easy to guess that my favorite part is the clawfoot tub. So pretty. And so there's also these gorgeous little white lace curtains. So cute. And the windows are like frosted over. And then my favorite painting is this one. I'm obsessed. There's like a shadow on it, but here, I'll just cover the window. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that so much. Nick says if I was like living in the past, this is what I would look like. And so yeah, I love the shower though. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. I wanted to take pictures in it, but we didn't have time because yeah, we have to check out soon. But anyway, all the doorknobs pretty much in the whole entire house are cut glass. And so now there's like a few steps going up and we're on the next floor. Next to the stairs are these two little paintings. By the way, pardon any noise downstairs, guys. Nick's loading up the car. But yeah, so this is a balcony. You're not allowed on the balcony. I love the doorknob though, but I'm gonna like peek out the window so you guys can see what it looks like kind of outside. There's a screen in front of the door, so I'm not sure that's gonna focus well. But yeah, I'll show you guys through another window. Anyway, so then there's this door, which I love. The bedroom doors, I would show you the other one, but it's open. The bedroom doors are all like natural wood. It's so beautiful. And again, like I love the keyhole doorknobs. That's a good like Instagram photo right there. It's so pretty. Anyway, when you enter the room, it's just like kind of like a beachy themed room with the little like beach themed paintings up there. But yeah, this is like your beach cottage style room, and then like the windows are so pretty. I can't get over them. Then there's another window right here. I love like the way the ceiling is. And then there's this cute little mirror right here. And one of my favorite bedrooms is this one because it reminds me of my old bedroom when I was little. I'm obsessed, guys. Look how cute. It's all like blue and white, and look at the bow pillow. I cannot get over that bow pillow. It's so beautiful. I love this room. All the walls are like all white. It's just so cute. And look at the little like lamp. And yeah, now I'm going to show you guys the room Nick and I stayed in. So let's make our way over there. Okay, this is the master bedroom. And the walls are like a light like blue-green, like almost like a light Tiffany blue. My favorite part is this little bench with this little vintage pillow. I want a pillow just like that. It's so perfect. And I love like the view like with the porch in the background. It's so pretty. I can't really back up anymore to show you guys, but I'll have a picture on Instagram of how beautiful this is. And then again, like the ceiling, so pretty. I'm obsessed. And there's like a TV. Oh, and then these paintings right here. I love the vintage paintings. And you can see there's like a window over the bed. So cute. And then there's this little window right here with this little like lace. And then there's this little window right. Then there's this little window right here with the little ruffles around it. So cute. And then there's like a little makeshift vanity right here, which I used to do my makeup the entire trip. And yeah, I think my favorite part of the room is like this little part right here. I love it so much. Okay guys, well that's the entire Airbnb. I will try to like vlog some throughout the day today. I just realized I'm not wearing lipstick, so I probably should put some on the car ride. We're about to check out like right now. So I wanted to show you guys the place though before we checked out, because I haven't like had any time to show you guys otherwise, because we've been like out exploring St. Augustine, and I wanted to do it during the daytime because it's just so pretty. Oh, and I said I would show you guys the view, so you guys can like see what the neighborhood looks like. There's just like a bunch of other like vintage little homes around here. It's so cute. Okay guys, well I will either see you next time or I will see you later. Love you guys.